In this live demo, you'll see firsthand how quickly an AI assistant can be integrated into a website. We'll type questions directly into the Asyntai chat widget and watch it respond in real time, answering exactly how long setup truly takes. Businesses often struggle with answering visitor questions efficiently, which an AI chatbot solves. We'll now ask real questions to see how this AI chatbot provides specific answers live. The chat bubble you see is your complete AI customer service solution. All right, let's kick things off by addressing the elephant in the room, the initial time commitment. Many of you are likely wondering. Let's see what it has to say. Setup is incredibly fast and requires no technical expertise. You can have your AI assistant live in minutes, with most integrations taking less than 5. Simply paste a JavaScript snippet to connect your site. Now that we've touched on timing, a very common follow-up is whether this whole process is going to be an uphill battle. So let's ask. Here's the information you're looking for. Getting started is incredibly straightforward. Simply paste a small JavaScript snippet directly into your website. You'll be up and running in minutes. No coding skills required. It's truly designed for ease of use. Given that complexity can be a concern, the natural next question is about speed. Are we talking days, weeks, or something much more accessible? Let's find out. Take a look at this response. Setup takes about 5 minutes. You simply add a JavaScript snippet to your website. It's designed for fast, easy integration. As we scroll, notice how the chat remains accessible and helpful throughout. Thinking about ease of setup, a major hurdle for many businesses is technical expertise. Does getting this up and running mean diving deep into code? We need to know. This is what the AI has shared. Getting started is incredibly easy. Simply copy and paste a JavaScript snippet into your website. No coding skills are necessary at all. You'll be up and running in minutes. Considering all these factors of time, complexity, and technical skill, what's the most efficient path forward? If you're looking for immediate impact, this is the question. Here's the answer to that question. Setup takes about 5 minutes. You sign up, connect your site, and paste a simple code snippet. No technical expertise is needed. You'll have your AI chatbot live and ready in moments. Every reply you've seen so far is a fresh response drawn directly from the website's content. Finally, as with any business investment, the financial aspect is crucial. Beyond just the time and effort, what's the typical investment involved in getting a functional AI chatbot? Let's read through this reply. Getting started is completely free. You can begin with our free plan, offering 100 messages each month with 0 setup fees. For more extensive needs, paid plans begin at just $39 per month, including 2,500 messages. As you saw, setting up Asyntai is straightforward. Experience it yourself with our free plan, no credit card needed, by visiting asyntai.com.